Welcome to part 3 of our Log4Shell practical tutorial by NCL. In part 1, we introduced to you the concept of Log4Shell, and in part 2, we demonstrated how to set up the environment in your own device. If you haven't watched those, you can click on the videos here. Now, if you are ready, let's execute together. Okay, so we are done setting up the test bed. Now it is playtime. Let's see the execution of this vulnerability from the point of view of a hacker. The first thing you do here is execute the run.sh script. Right-click on it and click on Execute. You will notice 3 dialog boxes open. We will explain what these dialog boxes do later in the video. The next step is to open Firefox and navigate to the web application. So, open Firefox and in the search bar, type localhost 8080 to open your local web server. Enter the JDI string into the text box. Give hello as your password and then click on login. JNDI or Java Naming and Directory Interface will provide an interface for you to access the LDAP directory service. Confused? We will explain exactly what is happening here. Let us look at the 3 dialog boxes. The first one, on the top right, is the web application that has been deployed with Docker. The second one is the HTTP LDAP server that will give access to locating data on organizations. In this case, as an example, it is trying to access information from the GitHub repository called Log4Shell POC. The third one is the netcat reverse shell, which creates the connection between the target host and the attacker. What you are witnessing is a payload exploit. Over here, the HTTP LDAP server is the target. The web application, Docker, is the attacker. The reverse shell initiates a connection from the target to the attacker, who is in a listening state through port 8080. Now, if the attacker enters any command in his local machine, also known as Remote Code Execution or RCE, it sends a GET request to the target who sends back information. In this example, the hacker entered the command ls, so the target, which is the GitHub repository, sent back all the files it contains. Similarly, you can execute commands and see a proper virtual simulation of this vulnerability. Now that you are in the simulation provided by NCL, go ahead and enter any command you want and explore the environment. Have fun, cheers! Congrats! You have finished the entire series of Log4Shell practice tutorial. Hopefully, now you have gained knowledge and skill in Log4Shell. If you are curious to learn about other vulnerabilities, go check out our YouTube channel or click the video here. Thank you for watching and see you again.